During the COVID-19 pandemic, everyone seemed to have started cooking, so I decided to do a buttermilk pancake video. This is based on a BBC recipe, but with some wholemeal flour, no salt, salted butter and blueberries. This will be my first and last cookery video, so I hope you find it useful. First, mix the dry ingredients. Sift the self-raising flour with 1 tablespoon of caster sugar and 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Then add the 100 grams of wholemeal flour, followed by 150 grams of fresh or frozen blueberries. Next, mix 200 ml of buttermilk, 400 ml of milk, 2 beaten eggs and 60 grams of melted butter in a separate container, and add this to the dry ingredients. Mix it all by hand to thoroughly wet the dry ingredients without going crazy, and don't worry about removing lumps. Cooking is what I find the hardest, as I'm a little impatient and tend to cook them on too high a heat and risk burning. You can also add slices of banana at this stage too, but you need to be careful as they do tend to burn. Just in case you're as impatient as I am, I've speeded up this last section so you can see the final results. In the best tradition of all cookery programs, here's one I did earlier. Oops,